So how to check how many apps in this iPhone are refreshing at the background of this phone and definitely consuming a lot of power and the data of this phone. So in order to check that, we can get into the settings. Here we have general. In the general we have background app refresh. So here we have a list of these apps, actually, as you can see, including games, Call of Duty, Bing, books, and ChatGPT, Google Chrome, Freedom, Gemini, Gmail, and all these apps, actually they are refreshing in the background. It's definitely consuming your battery. So here we have more option. We can actually choose to switch them, all of them, off at once, and you can choose for Wi-Fi only. When you connect to your Wi-Fi, any Wi-Fi, all these applications, they're gonna start refreshing in the background, and you can choose Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So right now I'm just gonna keep Wi-Fi and mobile data because this battery is quite good, and that's how you check background app refresh in any iPhone. That's all for now, and thank you for watching. Subscribe.